Have you ever wanted to make a clean, smooth, professional quality flavored vodka at home with a fresh tangerine aroma, full control over the ingredients, and no complicated experience needed? In this video, I'll show you step by step, in the simplest possible way, 2 different methods to make tangerine flavored vodka at home, perfect for complete beginners. Before we start, a quick and very important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Alcohol consumption is not recommended for minors, pregnant individuals, or anyone with medical conditions affected by alcohol. Always drink responsibly and in moderation. Please make sure that producing or consuming alcohol is legal in your country or region before attempting anything shown in this video. Hello and welcome to the channel. Here, we teach home production of alcoholic beverages in the simplest and safest way possible, including vodka, brandy, whiskey, wine, beer, and more. Everything is explained from a beginner's perspective, so even if you have zero experience, you can follow along with confidence. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because new tutorials are uploaded regularly. Today's video is all about tangerine-flavored vodka. There are 2 main ways to flavor vodka. Method 1. Using high-quality food-grade flavor essences. This is the faster and easier method. Method 2. Natural flavoring using real tangerine peel. This method takes more time but produces a healthier, more natural aroma and taste. The natural method also includes an additional distillation step, which further filters the vodka and results in a cleaner, higher quality final product. In this video, I'll explain both methods, and you can choose the one that suits you best. For both methods, we need vodka with a high alcohol percentage. The vodka must be at least 60% alcohol by volume. Standard 40% vodka is not strong enough to properly extract and carry flavor. First, you need to prepare your base vodka. A full step-by-step fermentation tutorial using white sugar is already available on this channel, so make sure to watch that video first and complete the fermentation process. Once fermentation is finished, we move on to the first distillation. Follow the instructions exactly as shown in the proper distillation video on the channel. During the first distillation, collect the output until the alcohol percentage drops to around 20%. After the first distillation, pour the collected vodka back into the still. Add the same amount of water to dilute it, then start the second distillation. This time, collect the alcohol gradually in small containers. Separate the early light alcohols and the final heavy alcohols. The middle portion is your clean, high-quality vodka. Do not discard the last containers with very low alcohol content. Set them aside, we'll use them later during dilution. Method 1. Flavoring with tangerine essence. This is the faster method. First, measure the alcohol percentage of your collected vodka using an alcohol meter. Using a dilution formula, calculate the final volume of 40% vodka you will have. For each liter of final 40% vodka, add 7 to 10 drops of high-quality food-grade tangerine essence. The exact amount depends on how strong the essence is. Close the bottle and shake vigorously for 3 to 4 minutes until the essence is fully dissolved. Next, add 10 grams of white sugar per liter of final vodka. Shake again for 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now, adjust the alcohol percentage to 40% by adding the lower proof vodka you saved earlier in water. Transfer the vodka into a container with a slightly loose lid, allowing gas to escape. Let it rest for 7 to 10 days so the flavor can stabilize and soften. After that, your tangerine vodka is ready to drink. Method 2. Natural flavoring with tangerine peel. Now let's move to the natural method. Again, calculate the final volume of 40% vodka. For each liter of final vodka, peel 2 fragrant tangerine. Very important. Remove all of the white pith because it causes bitterness. Only use the thin orange outer peel, preferably with a peeler or zester. Chop the peels into small pieces and add them to your high-proof vodka. Optionally, you can add a very small piece of cinnamon stick or a pinch of vanilla powder. Close the container and let it sit for at least 10 days. Shake the bottle once a day. After about 10 days, the vodka will look like this. If the aroma is not too strong and you don't mind a yellowish cloudy color, you can skip the third distillation. Simply filter it and continue. However, for a clear professional quality vodka, we do a third distillation. For the third distillation, add the same amount of fresh tangerine peel used originally into the still. Pour in the flavored vodka and add an equal amount of water to dilute it. Add the low-proof vodka you saved earlier, and again add the same amount of water. Start distillation. Discard a very small initial portion to clean the condenser. Then collect the alcohol gradually in small containers until about 20% alcohol. Separate the light and heavy alcohols and keep only the best aromatic middle cut. Measure the alcohol percentage again. Calculate the final volume of 40% vodka. Add 10 grams of sugar per liter of final vodka. Shake vigorously for 3 to 4 minutes until fully dissolved. Adjust the alcohol percentage to 40% by adding clean water. Store the vodka in a container with a slightly loose lid and let it rest for 7 to 10 days. After resting, your smooth, aromatic tangerine vodka is ready to enjoy. Cheers! If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Upcoming videos include flavoring vodka with lemon, orange, coffee, vanilla, and herbs, as well as full tutorials on making brandy, whiskey, wine, beer, and many other beverages. Links to the equipment used such as distillation units, alcohol meters, glass bottles, and peelers are available in the description below through Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.